Opa, what a beauty. This guy have it just for fun. This used to be an old truck. Lovely. So nice. Look at that. The way they used to make the truck. Don't see them anymore. And we'll try to walk a little bit to show you how beautiful it is. Amazing. This is what it's called an antique. Yes, you got one all rusty, but this is a beauty. How lovely it is. Wow. We will walk a little bit, see it. I love those old things. People buy those kind of old truck and keep it on the yard for their own fun. Wow. Some of them, they'll restore them and sell them for a nice amount of money. But I think this guy just having fun with his truck. That's why I stopped to take this whole video. I remember my father back home in Israel, it used to be Palestine. He drove one of those. Wow, 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 what a beauty. Lovely. Hope you like it. Thank you for coming and watching my video. I like those special things. It's so nice. Present history. Lovely. I wanna with this old truck. Kids and growing up, they love trucks. Nice.